A movie theater sells matinee tickets for $8 and evening tickets for $12. If they sell a total of 120 tickets with a revenue of $1,260, how many tickets of each type did they sell? So we know total they have sold 120 tickets. So that's what I like to look at first. So I'm going to just add my matinee tickets, however many of the matinee ones I sold, plus however many of the evening is going to be 120 tickets. So that's what I think of as my quantity equation. Now we're going to basically write this equation again, except with the dollar prices. So I know matinee tickets are $8, so 8 times however many matinee tickets plus 12 times the evening tickets gave me the total amount of $12.60. So we've got our two equations, our quantity equation and then our dollar equation. Now to me, this is the hardest part, is getting these two equations. Okay, next let's go ahead and solve. We can solve either by elimination or by substitution. In this case, I think I'm going to do elimination. So we'll multiply by -8. We get -8m minus 8e equals -960. So that equation is gone. We'll add these two together, so those two cancel. 12e minus 8e gives us 4e, and then equals 300. Divide by 4 on each side, and e is going to equal 75. So we know then there were 75 evening tickets. Now, if there were 120 tickets total, we can just say, okay, 120 will minus the 75, and that'll tell us how many matinee tickets there are. So we're going to end up with 11 minus 7, so 45 tickets. So matinee, we get 45 matinee tickets. Now we can do a quick check, make sure 75 plus 45 does equal 120, and we could do 8 times 45 plus 12 times 75, make sure that comes out to 1260. So kind of check it in both of the equations. If you're not understanding how to set these up, email me and I'd love to help you with it.